Oh, what's this?
This is my hand.
Hey, what's this?
A box.
It's a box? A box from who? Ron Kipper.
Ron Kipper.
Let's see what's inside.
Okay, is that a knife too?
Yeah, that needs is a bigger one, I think.
I
I got a busted shoulder. Honey.
Yes.
I need assistance.
Over there.
Okay, let's check this out. Let's see what's inside.
This newspaper.
Yes. Oh, look at this. It's a multimeter. Ideal digital multimeter. Instruction manual. Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Let's check it out. Ooh, look at this. Alright. 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 It's
Check
Christmas.
what's in there.
You reading directions? Okay, read directions.
Look.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright. Here we go.
The directions says you have to build those as careful as you can, and you can build this all by yourself with a sore shoulder, and then you have to put the turning thing on, and then you screw it up, okay? You screwed it.
What did you say?
Screw it up.
What did you say?
You screw it up.
Where did you learn that word?
I don't know.
Ooh, look at this.
Woohoo! Directions.
Okay.
Ron Kipper.
Okay,
Thank you so much, Ron. Thank you very much for my meter. Oh shoot, I didn't even open it up.
what's in there?
Let's see what's inside.
Whoa!
Woo-hoo-hoo.
You got a new one.
Look, it's a Ideal Multimeter.
Whoa! Cool!
Yes, check it out. Model number 61340. Just what Daddy needs. Give it a go. Woo-hoo-hoo.
It works.
Of course it does.
Can I try it?
Look at that.
Daddy,
It
can
feels
I try
nice. It feels nice.
it? Daddy, can I feel it?
Woohoo!
Daddy? Daddy?
AC,
Daddy, can I
DC.
try it?
It's Daddy's toy.
But can I try it?
Awesome, awesome. Can't
I
wait to
try
use
it?
this.
Can I try it?
No, it's Daddy's toy.
Okay.
Look at this. Thank you so much, Mr. Kipper. Thank you very much for this meter. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Check out his channel.
And
That's right.
we got it.
We also have to thank Fritz.
Thank you for Mr. Kipper.
Thank you, Fritz, so much, buddy. Thank you for letting us know about Mr. Ron Kipper and his great deal. Thank you so much again. So please check out Ron Kipper's channel. And Fritz, thank you so much again. Aloha. Take care. Shucks.
Phone thumbs up now.
Let's take another look at that meter. I was so excited I didn't even show it off. So Ideal meter, model 61-340. This thing is beautiful. It's got a stand in the back. It's gonna be awesome when I'm working on a car. It's actually just what I needed. Just what I needed. Check it out. Thank you very much.